In Saint-Barth, one of the biggest topics we have with the EU is how we deal with the transformation of energy on the island, and also how we deal with the risk of hurricanes, of sea level rising, and all those things that are appearing right now. Yeah, absolutely. We need to make sure that the partnership with the EU and with the members of the OCT are very strong, because we have common ground and together we're stronger. We know that we're at a very specific step for the association. We just balanced all the numbers. We got rid of the debt that we had for many years thanks to the presidency of Aruba. So it's a very important time for the association where we can move forward and be more efficient for the territories. The sea doesn't separate us, it links us together. It's a common history that we have. And that's why also we have those topics in common, and that's why we need to work together, because as we say, we have common interests: protection of the environment, protection of the sea life, protection of the corals, for example. I know that Aruba has a program working on the corals right now. So do we in Saint-Barth, and we need to be able to communicate better together, to exchange better together on what's going on every territory and how everybody is dealing with the situations that they have, what solutions they find, and to share all this information so that we can have better answers for everybody. We always have to learn from each other. Of course, there's the questions of culture, and as I was saying, we need to see the solutions that are found. In Saint-Barth, we have different responsibilities. We have responsibilities in urbanism, for example. In environment, we have a very small island where we need to find the right solutions to produce water, to deal with how we get rid of waste. And that's things that we can give and we can explain to other territories to see how they're dealing with that, and how we experienced it and how we got forward with that, for example.